What's up, family? It's Kyle King here, and I want to set you up for your future. You're an author, yes. You've created a book, of course, or maybe you're thinking about creating a book. Deadly, definitely, right? It's gonna be deadly, and it's gonna be a definite. So what I want you to consider is not just the book, but the business. Yes, you have a book. Yes, you're making money, but I need you to establish a system so that you can set up a solid foundation so you can grow an empire through your one story, all right? So first step, what I want you to be able to do, because I get this question all the time, should I start an LLC? Should I file for an LLC for my business or for my book? Yes, the answer is yes. If you're making money off of your book, you should have an LLC. There's gonna be reasons. I'm gonna give you 2 benefits of an LLC towards the end of this video, but I want you to just follow the steps, set yourself up for success so that we can be able to ensure your protection, all right? Number 1, here's a resource that I use, either InkFile or LLC University. You wanna be able to properly establish your LLC, a limited liability company, and you wanna be able to start a business so that when you start getting money, when you start having speaking engagements, when you start these digital products and all of the different sources of income that potentially come from this specific book, I want all of that book money and all of those streams of income to come to that one specific place, all right? So, start an LLC. Number 2, I want you to file in your state to get an EIN. An EIN is pretty much your social security number for your business. You know, you have a social security number for your personal. Every single business has a specific social security for your business, which is an EIN number, all right? When we think about our EIN number, this allows you to go get a bank account, a business bank account. I want you to stop making money and putting it into your personal account, okay? Can we agree on that? Can you stop making money and putting it into your personal account? Now, what I want you to be able to do, once you've established yourself as a business owner, once you've established yourself as having an LLC, what I then want you to do is build out 5 types of business accounts. 5 business accounts. I mean, actually go in the bank and open up 5 different accounts. Number 1 is your real revenue. 100% of all of your money should go to real revenue. Number 2 is owner's pay. 50% of the real revenue should go into an owner's pay account. Number 3 is operating expense. 30% of your operating expenses should go to your operating expenses account, all right? Or 30% of your revenue should go to your operating expense account. Number 3, taxes. 15% should go to your tax account and 5% should go to your profit account, all right? So when you think about all of these different buckets, you have your operating expenses, you have your owner's pay, you have your tax and your profit, all of that, let's say you get $1,000, 100% goes here, 30% goes here, 150 goes here, $50 goes there. So you break it down like that. So when money comes in, you can be able to strategically build your business and grow your infrastructure, all right? So when we think about the 2 benefits, the 2 advantages of having a business as this book business is 2 things, tax benefits and personal asset protection. When we think about any asset in regards to intellectual property, this book, anything that's generating revenue for us, you want to be able to protect those assets. If something was to happen to you, if you were to get sued, if someone was trying to, talk about your character, whatever the case may be, they would be coming after the business, and that would be able to protect your personal assets, all right? They wouldn't be able to come after the money that you've made, that you've been able to divvy up based upon the accounts that I just told you to create, but you'd be able to protect your business. You'd be able to get some type of legal protection for your business, and it would create a wall from somebody being able to come after you personally, all right? And then you'd be able to just structure your business the right way. And then number 2, tax benefits. If you're making money in a business account, if you have taxable income, businesses, I want you to understand this, businesses get taxed after expenses, while persons, get taxed before expenses. So you'll be able to have different things that you can write off. All your travel, speaking engagements, all those different things that you're doing as a part of selling your books. You show up at an event, you have different materials for a table or for retractable banners, all those different things would be seen as business expenses, so you'll be able to have that written off at the end of the year. So hopefully that gives you reason, but also an understanding on why you need to be able to have an LLC to build your book business the right way. If you have any more questions, put them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next video.